Hey, it's Matt from Black Coal Woodworking. I'm making an oversized salad bowl today. It's about 7.5 inches across by 2.5 inches deep. After making the blank round, I marked out where I want to put a recess for my 4-jaw chuck. Time to give this thing some shape. It's going to be a simple shape. It's going to have a gentle curve around the outside. On the bottom, I'm going to give it a recess just so that there's a outer foot, and this will help it sit flat. After sanding up to 600 grit, I pulled out my walnut oil and beeswax, which I unfortunately dropped into a pile of shavings, so that's why it looks like it does. After giving it a gentle layer of wax, I used a rag to help rub it into the grains. You can see it going in there quite nicely. The wax warms up and melts because it does get fairly warm. My garage is actually really cold. It's just below the freezing temperature of water. Got a beautiful finish on that. Now this wax is just a hard wax. There's no oil in it at all. So the first wax is meant to soak into the wood a bit. This wax is meant to mainly sit around the outside, but I'll still be able to feel the grains. It will feel nice, but it will have a little more protection when it comes to the liquids. On the flip side, it's time to hollow this thing out. If there's one thing I could recommend for hollowing out a bowl, is to have sharp tools. Makes it go so much better. Now that I'm done emptying the bowl with the bowl gouge, I'm using a round nose scraper to flatten the bottom. Why a round nose scraper, you ask? Well, because that's what I have. The inside of this bowl gets the same treatment as the outside: walnut oil and beeswax, followed by a top coat of just beeswax. And that's it, there we have it. It's my salad bowl. I love salads, so I'm looking forward to having fairly large salads in here. If you liked the video, please give me a comment, consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.